Good afternoon. Today I'm out rotavating one of our cabbage fields. I've got the rotavator set to 1 to 2 inches down, so just making sure we're cutting everything off. Going at a slight angle to the lines the lines of the cabbage was drilled, so I'm just here in our 54-55. I've been at it now for 2 hours. Slowly getting through it. About a third of the way across the field. If you enjoy my videos, please hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Still going on the rotavating. I'm pulling the ditches down the same time as I'm doing the middle of the field, which I don't normally do, but because the plough is in the field now, so I try and keep far enough ahead, and also on the headlands as well, because he's ploughing into where I haven't rotavated yet. Wanted to put the drone up, but it's too windy at the moment. As you can probably see over there, it's very dry and dusty. Try and get the drone out later. All depends on what the weather decides. If the wind decides to drop away a bit, then we'll give it a go. Cab's got no air conditioning, so I got all the windows shut up to keep the dust out and try and keep it as clean as possible. This ground is going into spring barley, so I think this is the last field we've got put in, or one of the last, so we want to get it in this week. I was out here from this morning at about 10 o'clock. It's now 2:30. Half the field's done. The second half should go a lot quicker because it's all shorter ground. We've had a change of jobs now. I'm now on the plough. The ground is easy in some spots and tough in others. Just got to keep an eye on the plough and make sure it stays in the ground. Yeah, we got a tough bit coming up. I've got to keep dropping the plough hydraulics down just so it keeps it in the ground. We have a 4-throw reversible Vernon EM85 plough. that's the middle of the field done. Now on the way back to the farm, we'll finish the ditch off, or the headlands off tomorrow. So if you enjoy my videos, please hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye for now.